In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the microphone on an iPhone so that you could use apps like Zoom, WhatsApp, voice memos, or really just anything that uses the microphone. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the settings app on your iPhone. And from here, just scroll down, and what you're looking for is the privacy and security tab, just like so. Open that up and find microphone within you might have to scroll down a little bit to actually find it, but open it up and toggle on the apps that you want to allow microphone access for. Just keep in mind, apps must request access first, usually when you first try and use the microphone within that app. Now, if the microphone option is grayed out, what you're going to want to do is actually return to your main settings page right here. And you're going to want to go into your screen time settings right here and tap on the content and privacy restrictions tab and scroll down a little bit and you can see a whole option for microphone. Go ahead and select that, enter in your screen time password, and then go ahead and adjust it and just make sure allow changes is turned on and just tick on whatever apps you would like. And from here, return back to privacy and security and just make sure microphone and access. Microphone is enabled and able to be accessed. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before we do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.